Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Amazon Kindle gift card. To use an Amazon Kindle gift card, first of all, scratch off the silver coating on the back of your card and then reveal the unique code. Now open up a web browser and type in amazon.com in it. Sign into your Amazon account like you normally would, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click on the See All button right next to your account. After you open up your Accounts tab, scroll down and then tap on Manage Gift Card Balance option under Payment. Now, click on Redeem Another Gift Card and enter your gift card for your Kindle in the text box. After typing in your gift card, click on Apply to your balance. You can also scan your claim code by tapping on the camera icon. Allow camera access for Amazon by tapping on the little square box and tapping on Continue. After allowing camera access, go ahead and scan your gift code. Make sure to center the claim code within the frame above, and you will then be able to use your gift card balance on Amazon. You can use the Kindle gift card in order to purchase Kindle books, ebooks, audiobooks, or other digital content on Amazon. So that is how you will be able to use your Amazon Kindle gift card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.